How to log in to Horizon Employee Portal. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser that you prefer and you have to search for Horizon Employee Login. Select where it says Login Online Payroll. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of Horizon. To log in to your employee account, just go ahead and select the option of Employee Login. Here you will find various of options that you can select from. Depending on the option that you selected, the credential detail will be different for you. Now if you want to log into on-demand ESS, enter your username, password and select Remember Me, then tap on the login option. Now, in case you have selected some other credential, you may receive a different login credential for yourself. For an example, if I selected Workforce Hub Advanced, I will have to enter my email address and access code or password, then select the option of Sign In. If you have forgotten any of your credentials, to select any of Forgot Username or Password. If you select Forgot Username, enter your first name, last name, email address, verify yourself, then select the Submit bubble to retrieve your account. And that is how you can easily log in to your Horizon Employee Login. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.